Alright guys, so the third tip. Wow. 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 Hi.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Isn't this how
Hi guys.
it's supposed
I cannot believe that this is the very first video of Vlogmas, and I am so sorry that I did not have a more festive drink for you guys. I'm drinking water with ice, okay? At least I have a festive straw, right? That counts for something, right? So good. Anyway, you guys, welcome to the very first video of Vlogmas. Like, oh my god, I cannot believe that I am that YouTuber that is so excited and very committed to Vlogmas. I mean, this is not going to be any ordinary Vlogmas for sure, because as I said on my Instagram, which if you're not following me on Instagram, now is the time to do so. The link is like right here at Mrs. Nate Web. Type that in Instagram, click the follow button, follow me along for all of the behind the scenes. And as I was saying on Instagram, this will not be like your regular Vlogmas, because Vlogmas is where YouTubers upload a video every single day in December up until Christmas. But because I do not work from home, you guys, I am not yet self-employed or an entrepreneur, as they might say it. I have a 9-to-5 job, and so filming, editing and uploading every day is going to be quite difficult for me. So I'm not going to put myself through that stress, but I do promise you video overload, way more videos than you are normally getting on my channel throughout the month of December. So I'm not going to stop at Christmas Day. I'm going to be going beyond the Christmas Day, because I still have a lot of other things planned that I want to take you guys along with for sure. But to kick off the first Vlogmas video, you guys, I am just going to be talking to you about tips and tricks for decorating your home for the season, because I know many of us, especially those of you on this channel, are young adults just getting married, you know, just getting into the groove of adulting like myself, and it might be a little overwhelming, or you might not be sure of how to decorate your home. You might be living in your apartment for the very first time since moving out of college, or you know, just things. We're on our own for the first time, maybe. I mean, if you're in the older category on my channel, then of course you too will probably be overwhelmed with all of the Christmas decor and all of the Christmas stuff. You don't know what to buy, you don't know where to decorate and all of that thing. So I'm just here to pull out some of my tips and tricks, the ones that I have used or will use this year to decorate my home for Christmas. I think that is like a mouthful of words. You guys, also if you hear me trembling, that's just because my entire house is a freezer, and I had to wear the red shirt to bring out the festivity in your first Christmas content. Anyway, tips and tricks for decorating your home for the holidays, you guys. Like, the first tip that I'd have for you is to definitely walk through your house and decide the areas of your house in which you want to decorate or you want to highlight, because many of us, one, live in a house where there are many rooms, right? You obviously do not want to overwhelm yourself and decorate every single room, because one, that will take a lot of money, two, that will take a lot of time, and probably it is really not necessary. So I would say walk through your house and decide for yourself the rooms in your house that you would want to have a little Christmas feel too. And usually the rooms that most people tend to decorate is one, the living room, because if you invite people over, chances are they will be in the living room because that is where the TV is, that is usually where the fireplace is and all of that stuff. So a lot of traffic will be in the living room. So I would say, yeah, your living room is one of the main rooms that you would want to take into consideration. Second is the kitchen. Now, apart from the living room and maybe the bedroom, and to be honest, I don't even think the bedroom falls under this category, is that, you know, the kitchen is one of those areas that traffic is always in. Like, we're forever in our kitchen. Like, comment below if you're always in your kitchen, you guys. I feel as if I'm in my kitchen more than I am in my bed. I'm always washing dishes, cooking food, going to the fridge, going to the microwave, tidying up the table. Like, I'm always in my kitchen. Like, are you always in your kitchen? Comment down below, because it is ridiculous the amount of time we spend in our kitchen, you guys. Like, I wish I could just say, Alexa, clean the kitchen. And if I set your Alexa off, I am sorry. But yeah, guys, back to what I was saying, that kitchen is one of your main traffic areas also, so you might want to add a little touch of Christmas into that specific space. And you might say that, where in the kitchen do you add Christmas stuff? Well, for videos that I have seen, people decorate their tables, like their dining tables or their kitchen island, or they change out their dining ware, so they bring out all the, like, the Christmas plates and the Christmas cups, all of that stuff, Christmas dish towels that you put on your oven, stuff like that. You can use to add Christmas spirit or Christmas cheer to your kitchen. Also, some persons like to create like what do I say, like a tea station. You know, for Christmas it's a hot chocolate season and all that stuff. People like to create like a little coffee bar in their kitchen, or a hot chocolate bar, I should say, in their kitchen, just to spruce it up a bit and bring Christmas to that space. So I definitely recommend you walking through your house and figuring out where you want to decorate, and then go from there. The second tip that I want to share with you guys is that you should watch Decorate With Me videos on YouTube and see where other people are decorating and what decorations other people are putting into their homes, you guys. I mean, we are content creators, we are YouTubers, and even though we create these videos for your entertainment, we also create them for your inspiration as well. And there is nothing wrong with being inspired by what another creator did in their homes, actually, right? We create these stuff so that you guys can get ideas of what to do in your houses, and some of the things that you can also buy. So do not be ashamed to really love what another creator did that you watched on YouTube and want to recreate it in your house. That is the reason why we create these videos, alright? So watch other creators' videos, watch Decorate With Me for Christmas videos on YouTube, see what those creators are buying in stores, see where they're decorating inside of their homes, and then that will give you some form of that will give you some form of inspiration to decorate other areas in your homes, or maybe the same areas in your home. Now, all of my ideas that I have gotten to decorate my home have definitely come from me watching the creators I love decorate their home for Christmas. So there is no shame in the game. If you feel inspired, buy the things them, do the things them, decorate your home. The third tip this video is going well, isn't it, guys? Like, oh my god, maybe I need more water. Oh! Wow, I need to slow down. I'm talking fast because I think that I am cold. I'm trembling, and so there's this rush. Anyway, guys, tip number 3. I do have my notes down here. If you see me looking down, it's all a part of the things, alright? Alright, you guys, so the third tip that I have for you would definitely to pick at least 3 stores, or a few stores, but I would say narrow it down to about 3 stores that you know bring out Christmas decorations and very good Christmas decorations. And I say 3 stores because you do not want to put your eggs in one basket. You do not want to shop only at one store, only to find out that when you browse into another store after you finish buying your other Christmas decor, then you're going to another store and then you see something that you really like and you're like, shit, I could have bought this. Like, that is the worst feeling ever. So I say pick at least 3 stores. I know for Japan, I know the dollar stores obviously carry Christmas decorations. I know Knittery carry Christmas decorations, and pretty much that's about it for where I live. So I would definitely go into Knittery, and I would definitely be going into the dollar stores. But again, there are other stores in and around that are not full-fledged like home decor store, but they also carry little things for Christmas that I may see and I may like. But for you guys that are in the US and Canada, I know for sure Trader Joe's in US may carry Christmas stuff. I know for sure Home Goods in the US carry Christmas stuff. Target carry Christmas stuff in America. What other place? Kohl's or Lowe's or whatever. There are a few places in the US that you can get Christmas decor and all of that stuff. In Canada for sure, I know that Home Sense carry Christmas stuff. Dollarama carry Christmas stuff. Dollar Tree in the US also carries Christmas stuff. But what I'm trying to say here is, guys, there are a lot of stores that carry Christmas stuff. So I would advise you not to put all the eggs in one basket and buy all of your decor from one store. That would just be you not spending your money wisely. In Jamaica, for my Jamaican peeps, like honestly, I don't even know what could compare to all of these stores that carry Christmas stuff in Jamaica. Like maybe Bashko definitely might have Christmas stuff. I mean, yeah, the Chinaman and haberdashery stores in Jamaica may also bring Christmas stuff. I think there are no dollar stores in Jamaica, so there is no equivalent to that. I am really not sure. Like, Jamaica is LAME, to be honest, when it comes down to like everything that is abroad. And you know, I can't blame them because Jamaica and all of these countries are in very different lanes. But I mean, for my Jamaicans watching this, please comment down below where people can get their Christmas stuff, apart from like Bashko that everybody knows, and like the Chinaman and haberdashery store. If there are any affordable stores in Jamaica that you can get your Christmas stuff, like leave them down below so you can help other people out. Alright, select at least 3 stores and definitely browse through those 3 stores before you buy anything. And I say browse because, to be honest, shopping for Christmas decorations can be very overwhelming, right? And you do not want to browse, or eye shop as they call it, and try to figure out what you need to go where and what you need to go where, and also buy stuff in one day. So I say give yourself at least 2 days to Christmas shop. All right, so you pick your 3 stores, you have your list of stuff because you already followed point 1 and 2, and which point are we at? You already followed the other points that I've mentioned in this video, like watching the decorate with me videos and deciding where in your house you want to decorate. And also, because you watched those videos, you know exactly the things that you want to buy to decorate those areas in your house. You already have that list. So you go to the stores and you browse through your list and you browse through the stores and see what they have that you like that you can use. Alright, and then after browsing through these 3 stores, you can, you know, take note of all the things that you see in the stores that you like to buy, and then you go fresh another day and buy all of these things. Because as I said, it can be overwhelming to like browse, check off things on your list. Maybe you get another idea because you see something else in the store. You never know what can happen, and then you're just there overwhelmed, and then you spend either too much money or you don't spend any money at all, and then it was a day wasted. So I think just give yourself like 2 days to do Christmas shopping, or a week. So one weekend you go to browse and another weekend you go to buy. Alright, my 4th tip for you guys is to set a budget. Now, budget is very important, especially in Christmas time, because majority of the population worldwide loves Christmas, right? I've never met a person who hates Christmas. Like, if you hate Christmas, please let me know in the comments, because I would love to meet you. But I know nobody that hates Christmas. Christmas is the most wonderful time of the year for everybody, especially for me, because I celebrate my birthday this month, you guys. Like, yeah, December 23rd is my birthday, and I'll be turning what? Guess my age in the comments below. If you have been watching all of my other videos, you probably know my age. But if you don't, if you're new around here, first subscribe and then tell me what you think my new age will be in a few days. Anyway, set a budget, you guys, because Christmas shopping can be overwhelming, the holidays, because you have to think about giving gifts to family, giving gifts to maybe yourself. You want to pamper yourself, you know, buying Christmas decor, having Christmas dinner, got to buy food obviously, and all that stuff. We tend to spend a lot of money in the Christmas season, and so setting a budget for your Christmas decorations is very, very important. I would say for US and Canada people, do not go over, or try not to go over 100 US or 100 Canadian dollars, right? I think that can give you a good amount of stuff that you can use to add Christmas to various places in your homes, especially if, you know, we're just starting out in this adulting thing. As the year goes by and as we continue to buy things over the years, we will accumulate a lot of Christmas stuff. So there is no reason to spend like 20,000 or 200 bucks on Christmas decoration in 1 year, right? Do not overflood your house. Just add a little Christmas cheer to what you already have, and not a cheer like what I'm sitting in. Christmas, CHEER. Alright, yeah, so do not go over like 100 US cap or max when you're shopping for Christmas. So that is for US and Canada. For me, the equivalent of that would be like 10,000 yen, and to be honest, that is also way too much. But Japan is also very expensive, so 10,000 yen is a good cap for me. If I go under that, hallelujah. In Jamaica, $10,000 is a lot of money that you should not be spending on Christmas decor. So in Jamaica, I would say maybe $5,000. And to be honest, even though $10,000 seems like a lot in Jamaica, maybe, just maybe, because Jamaica and Japan, like, the currency exchange is basically the same, and if I'm spending 10,000 yen in Japan, maybe things will cost the same in Jamaica. So maybe $10,000 in Jamaica, although it seems like a lot, but I would say just try to keep it under that, because if you go over that, then that's way too much money. And remember, this is just for decor. This has nothing to do with you giving and exchanging gifts or you buying food for your house for the holidays and all of that stuff. You have to be careful so you don't go broke. And in Jamaica, we also have this thing where we say our December salary has to last us for 175 million days of January, because it's as if January does not end. I don't know if other parts of the world like is of this kind of realization that January just never ends, but in Jamaica it's a thing for us where we say, well, December, like, we have to save as much as we can, because January, it not gonna finish. It won't finish. Yeah. Alright, and the very last tip that I have for you guys is to pay attention to the seasonal classics of each holiday. So all the tips that I'm giving you, of course, it is centered around Christmas, but all of these tips and tricks can be used for every single holiday that you celebrate, whether it's Halloween, springtime, autumn time, summertime, whatever the holiday is that you are celebrating. All of these tips and tricks can be used to obviously decorate your home. So pay attention to the seasonal classics, you guys. So since as we're on the topic of Christmas, some of the seasonal classics for Christmas would definitely be things like mugs. Alright, every single season, most of the stores will have seasonal mugs, except for Japan. I cannot find seasonal mugs in Japan, you guys. I cannot. If you live in Japan and you can find seasonal mugs that do not cost 6,000 yen on Amazon, please tell me below, because the same set of mugs that I see in the US, when I search them up on Amazon Japan, it's like triple the cost, and I'm like, why does Amazon Japan behave like this? Like, I don't know. Anyway, seasonal mugs are always a thing, so therefore you can always find seasonal mugs. Buy seasonal mugs, you guys. Over the year, buy at least 2 mugs per season, and over the years you will have accumulated a whole lot, and you can do all the big shabang kind of decorations in your home as the years go by. Alright, and then second, wreaths. You guys, wreaths are always a thing for holidays. In springtime, you have a wreath that can go up on your door. In summertime, you have a wreath that you can use. In autumn time, you have wreaths that you can use. In Christmas time, you have wreaths that you can use. And this is very dominant in the American cultures. I watch a lot of American YouTubers, and they always have wreaths on their door all year round, but the wreaths always match the season. So pay attention to things like that. Also, some other seasonal classics that you can pick up in your like when shopping for your decorations or stuff like nutcrackers, you know, Christmas, just little Christmas things or things that remind you of the holidays. So for Christmas you have like the nutcracker, you have pine cones, and you have like Santa Claus and all of that stuff. Pick up decor pieces that look like that are in that category. In autumn time you have a lot of pumpkins, you have a lot of hay stuff, like that grass looking thing. I'm not even sure of the proper name for it, but yeah, each season have their own seasonal classics, and I would advise you guys to like kind of figure out what the seasonal classics are and then use that and buy those stuff year round. Well, not year round, but during the holiday season. Another seasonal classic, you guys, are candles. Now every single season Bath and Body Works I know have seasonal candles. So for autumn they have a lot of like pumpkiny kind of base smelling candles. In Christmas you have a lot of like ginger and pine tree and all that stuff. What I'm trying to say is you can find seasonal scents in candles. So filling your home, just changing the scent in your home each holiday season can make a big difference in how you feel. So buy a few Christmas season candles, buy a few autumn season candles, buy a few spring season candles. It does not matter, as long as you're changing the scent. I promise you that your home will feel better and you will feel as if you are celebrating that season. The next thing is also garlands. Now you can find garlands all season year round. So you have Christmas garlands that we know you hang up on the fireplace. You have autumn garlands, you know, pumpkin or orangish color garlands and all of that. You have garlands for every season, you guys. So these are just some of the things that you will always be seeing every single season, just in a different style and a different color. And I advise you to pick up these things because these are the little things that you can add to your home, especially if you do not have a big budget where you can buy like throw pillows, new sheets, new curtains and all of that stuff. These are just little examples of ways in which you can add Christmas to your home. And don't forget the dish towels. Like if you change out your dish towels, because I say we are always in our kitchens anyway, change out your change out your dish towel. So for Christmas season you can get a dish towel with a lot of Christmas trees on it or something like that, maybe a red and a white Christmas dish towel that maybe have joy on it, that maybe have peace on it, that maybe have merry written on it, or so on and so forth. And then in autumn you can get pumpkin themed dish towels and all of that stuff. In spring you can get a very floral looking dish towel, all of that stuff. Summer you can get something yellow, something bright that signifies summer and all of that stuff. So it's just about looking at very basic things and just making it, just buying stuff that match the season to add to your house. It's very, very simple, you guys. And I think that I have talked your ears off at this point so much. I really hope that I can stay committed to putting out videos 2 times a week for you guys, so you can expect your regular uploads on Wednesday, regular time, Wednesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I am also going to be trying to upload every Saturday as well at the same time, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And maybe if I have more time and I'm feeling up to it and I can get it done, you might get a 3rd video for the week. Who knows? Let us see. But I'm very excited to see what December brings for all of us, and this is obviously your first opportunity to hear me or watch me in real time, because I feel like all of my videos are pre-recorded, you guys. Like some of the videos that you watch week after week has been like recorded for like months and weeks before it goes live. So this is your chance to see me in real time. So I get to wish you a very Merry Christmas in every one of these videos that you'll be seeing after this one. I hope that you'll enjoy Christmas with Nats this season. I wish you a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas or Christmas with Nats video 1. Of course, if you did, give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. Until next time, Merry Christmas, guys.